Hi there! Welcome to my channel, and I'm, as always, absolutely thrilled to make this lesson for you. Actually, I am into English pronunciation, and I'm actually into improving my level of English, and that's why I'm here to share my experiences. Let's go on. So, SH, 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 CH, and TH, z, z, or voiceless, s, s, voiced, z, z, or voiceless, s, s. Okay, let's go through it. Sh, sh, she, ship, ship, sheep, sheep, ship, sheep, ship, sheep, shirt, shirt, shoes, shoes, shark, shark, shop, shop. Okay, so remember, this is sh, sh. Now, the next one is ch, ch. Chair, 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 chair. Chat, as in cat, chat, chat. Cheese, cheese. Chess, chess. Choose, choose, choose. Church, church, church. Chat, chat, chat. Okay, when it comes to TH, let me mention something. So, TH can be voiced, z, or voiceless, s. So, the first four are voiced, z. Let's try the, they, they are here, they're coming, they are going, they're at home, z, them, them, then, then. Now the rest are voiceless. S, s. Think, think, think clearly, think properly. You gotta think twice. You gotta think twice. You gotta think twice. Think twice. Think. Thought, thought. Have you thought it over? Have you thought it over? Thought, thought. And throw, 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 throw. Okay, it's time to review all of the words. I'm gonna read first. You can repeat after me. Let's go. She, ship, sheep, shirt, shoes, shark, shop, chair, chat, cheese, chess, choose, church, chat. TH, voiced, the, they, them, then. Voiceless, think, thought, through. Okay, I hope the lesson was helpful. If you want to, you can watch the video several times and repeat after me. See you next time. Bye bye.